you? How are you? Una-una. Ano gusto mo na
Actually, happy
sabihin?
kasi ang daming tao. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Ang aga pa ng iba dyan kanina.
Oo nga, I
Nakapila.
heard maraming maaga.
Maraming nakapila na kanina.
Nang maaga. Kaya talaga JD, kahit pag maaga silang pinipila. So, maraming salamat. Kasi effort yun. Super. So, I'm really happy. Thank you for coming, guys.
It's super sulit na sulit kasi first pa lang ito, di ba? First offering pa lang ng ating super exciting, super special day. Pero kanina, Nadine, before you came out, siguro narinig mo, pinlay namin yung TVC.
Grabe yun, ha? Nakatouch. Parang may ano. Pero, it is true that that's your dad.
Yeah, that's
in
my
the
dad.
commercial. Siyempre, lahat ng fans mo alam na yan.
Yeah.
You know, minsan, sabi ng mga ibang tao, mas madali pagkatrabaho mo, kapamilya mo, pero minsan, baka yun pa nga yung mas awkward o mas pressure. Ano yung pakiramdam sa'yo?
For me, was really easy. Nakakatuwa kasi I really didn't expect. Na yung dad ko wala umarte. But actually, very natural siya eh. Hindi siya yung super acting talaga. Kasi that's how he is when it comes to me.
Strict.
Ganun talaga siya. As in,
Strict siya? Ganun?
yung nakita niyo dun sa commercial, ganun talaga
It was
siya.
very natural of
Yes,
him.
it was
Parang
very,
hindi
very
na siya nag-portray ng role.
Yes.
So when you told her about it, hindi ka nahirapan na i-convince siya na, pa, gawin natin yung commercial.
Nung una medyo nanganin siya. Sabi niya parang, bakit ako kasali? Sabi ko, syempre, di ba? Dapat dad talaga. Tsaka it's better nga. Kasi yung the connection, kitang-kita mo talaga.
Kasi pwede ka naman kumuha ng actor, no?
Yes.
Pero baka wala yung...
Pero, yeah, as you can see naman kasi sa commercial, talagang super makikita mo yung connection eh. That father and daughter connection.
Nagbigay ka ba ng mga acting tips? O baka siya pa yung nagbigay sa'yo?
Nakakatawa kasi nung nag-workshop kami for that commercial, walang sila Direk Eric, wala silang sinasabi. Na parang, ang galing ng daddy mo umarte, ganyan. So parang alam na natin kung saan nanggaling yung acting skills. Ganyan. So parang sabi ko, parang, wala lang, na-amaze lang ako sa dad ko, sobra. As in, I never really expected na ganun pala siya.
And yung experience na yun was a very good experience for you and your dad to be together.
Bonding yun, extra bonding time.
That's totally different eh. That's something parang na you don't see every day.
And not all the artists can actually have that experience. So, swerte. Swerte talaga. Si Daddy must be very, very proud.
I'm sure, and I'm sure you're very
proud
proud.
too of Daddy.
Mas proud pa ako.
Okay, natanong namin kanina kung strict talaga daddy mo, lalo na pagdating siguro sa mga dating, how is he, at saka kung hindi man siya strict, may mga binibigay siya mga tips sa'yo, mga reminders, I'm sure, hindi natatapos yan.
He gives mga advices and reminders, pero hindi naman siya like yung super strict na bawal. Ganun. Basta as long as I'm being responsible and I know kung ano yung, alam mo yun, parang, what do you call this? Alam ko ano yung tama, and kung alam ko na parang hindi ito para sa akin, or kung may mali dito, hindi ako, alam mo yun. Pero he trusts me naman.
Right.
Yung tinawag naman
He knows
siya.
that you are responsible and he gives you that trust.
Yes.
So huwag din i-break yung trust. Pag sinabi yung oras
Ganito
natin.
oras ka na uwi na.
Pero hatid sundo ka rin talaga.
Before.
Ngayon medyo...
Pero ngayon kasi I can drive na sa...
Siya na ang hinahatid mo at sinusundo.
Pero si Daddy ba nagsiselos na din? Kasi ganyan, nag-drive ka na mag-isa. Dati hatid sundo ka niya. Naglalambing ba yun? Minsan?
Yes, sometimes. Parang, kasi before, meron kaming bonding ng dad ko na whenever we're in the car, parang we both love cars kasi, me and my dad. So parang pag may nakita kami dito, model, ayan, pinag-uusapan namin. Tapos ako, parang I look it up on the internet, ganito, ganyan.
So may
Tapos
bonding.
kapagtuwan kami, so that bonding, hindi na masyadong nagagawa.
Sabi mo kanina, Nadine, sa commercial na
Yes.
he's your best ever date.
Yes.
Diba? Okay, aside from your dad, nagkaroon ka na ba ng yun? Aside from your dad, ulitin ko lang before ako na-interrupt. Meron ka bang best ever experience when it comes to dating? Sinisa, pati sinisa.
Curious na ako eh.
Best ever date.
Best date.
Siyempre meron, pero the best pa rin si Daddy.
best date ever, meron na?
Meron na, best date ever.
Meron.
Meron na. Pero syempre meron pa din siguro makakatalo
Yes,
sa
merong
best date ever.
Get doon.
Willing pa.
Willing pa to try.
Willing pa.
Yes.